guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, I'm Lex MR2, and today is a scary day because we are taking a look inside my engine bay. So, this is the state of her at the moment. Yeah, it's nothing pretty, but we're gonna fix that today. So to sort this issue out, I'd like to say a big thank you to Maguire's and to K&N for helping us sort this out. We're using the K&N Recharge Cleaner with the red dye just to get the colour back in here and to give it a good clean out. Also, shout out to Mishimoto, our sponsors, for these clips because they look so good. Oh my god, you can already see how dirty that is.
The filter.
Even the tube and the filter. Oh no. Is it coming off?
It will eventually.
Great. But yeah, you can see how bad this has gone. I've only had this on since probably about January, so... Oh, actually, that's been about 8 months. I don't know how often you're meant to clean these things. The struggle is real. That's in there, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what to do. So...
Let's learn how
we
to...
have got... Oh.
Gosh, mine is so dark.
Okay, so this is the cleaner.
Right.
And then this is the oil, so I'm assuming this is the red oil because we had an option of loads of different colours, but obviously we chose red because we're staying very on brand. Instructions, do we need that? JK guys, we're going to read the instructions now. So liberally spray the K&N air filter cleaner onto both sides of the filter and allow to soak for 10 minutes to loosen the dirt. Do not allow cleaner to dry on air filter. Rinse air filter with cool, low pressure water from a clean side. Wait, what? From the clean side in order to...
The clean side?
What? What? Okay, so just spray this on. Quick comparison of the K&Ns. Yeah, yours is
Light
significantly worse.
That was mine. Red. Was is
nice.
the term.
Okay.
Let's sort this out.
Let's sort it out. So we need to detach the pipe from the actual filter. And so you clean both sides of the filter and allow to soak for 10 minutes with the cleaner.
Hold it still. Just gonna squidge it and see if I can. Go! It's moving, I think. Mine was not this difficult to get out. I'll just put that on the record.
Right. So cleaner is now going to be sprayed onto both sides.
Hang on.
A bit scared.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm guessing we use quite a liberal amount.
It says liberally. What does that mean?
A lot.
Okay.
It means a lot.
It's in my mouth. Okay, both are degreased and we'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Okay, so we have got the pressure washer set to a low pressure and that's pretty high pressure still. No?
Maybe drip it at the end.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so these have all been rinsed out and you can see how light they've gone. All the oil has come out of it, and I didn't realise that the oil was actually the dye for it. But I think you can get them in white, black, red, blue maybe. But yeah, we're going to let these to dry overnight and we'll see you guys tomorrow to do the oiling. Okay, it is day 2 and we are putting the oil, the coloured red oil, onto the K&N filters now. They've been drying for like 24 hours, something like that. We're not going to be able to clean the engine bay because it has not stopped raining. So I'm hoping it stops raining just enough so that this can dry and we can get them on the car before tomorrow.
That's so red.
I feel like I'm doing this wrong.
No, that looks correct.
Yeah, but just spray it. It says spray it into the crown. Oh wow. It says just keep going until it's like even. My hand is red. Okay, on our makeshift drying rack right now. Yeah, we have to leave these to dry for 20 minutes and then touch up any little bits afterwards. Okay, so it is about 9 p.m. now and we're gonna put the cone back on. The oil on it like was still coming off, so we just dried it with like a towel. I don't know if you're meant to do that or not, but I need it on the car because I need to go to work tomorrow.
She's a bit lubed now, and then hopefully we'll be able to. Okay. Oh, it's very slippery, the silicone WD. But it's the only way to actually get like the filter into the surrounding, because it's got to be nice and tight so there's no air leaks.
She too lubed up.
She's a bit loose now. Oh no. Oh, it's really lubed up. I might have used too much silicone spray. Hang on.
Are we in?
I think we're in the first layer. Oh no. We were in.
So engine bay clean will be a separate video because it's very damp out here now and it's been raining all day, so we haven't had a chance to do it. Oh, she's in.
Well, she's got to come back out a bit.
Oh,
pushed her too far in.
Oh god, you seem to have that issue.
Now we've got to get it on, and then your weird filtery tube thing. Okay,
this is on with the Mishy clamp, and now we are just lubing up this part to get it in there, which I remember is quite difficult. Nearly there?
Almost. Don't want anything jumping out.
Yeah, please
especially while it's been lubed up.
Yeah.
But that's it.
Perfect, all done. So I know this video has been cut short because we were meant to do the engine bay clean, but it rained because we live in the UK and the weather is awful. What are you doing?
Cleaning. The WD-40 spray, the silicone spray, lubes up all the plastics.
Great.
So it makes them look really shiny.
Cool.